Chimney restoration. We need to perform an inspection of the fireplace and chimney to make an action plan. The power wash method does not damage or wear the surface that requires cleaning. That is, only layers of paint, rubber, oxidation, dirt, and all unwanted materials are removed. Surface preparation and restoration is carried out for safe and healthy use. The chimney crown, with proper maintenance, will help prevent soot and other debris from entering your home. This is how we went from this to this. Take advantage of our promotion and schedule your free inspection and cleaning.